Let's make rose milk bites. It tastes so yummy and delicious, just melts in the mouth. And for that, take some milk in a saucepan. Then add some cornstarch and mix well. Make sure it doesn't form lumps. Then add some rose syrup. The color looks so pretty. You can also add vanilla essence to enhance its flavors. Let it boil for 7 to 8 minutes and then pour it into a container. Now freeze for 2 to 3 hours in refrigerator. And then you can cut them into small pieces and then add some milk powder or some shredded coconut to cover it up. You can cut it into any shapes, cubes or triangles or rectangles, any shape you want. I have coated it with milk powder and it tasted so good. You must give this recipe a try. You will definitely love it. You can also experiment with other flavors as well. If you like this recipe, do give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.